Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to text edit in Photoshop, updated. Click the Type tool, then click your text or the layer to begin editing immediately. Use the Character panel to tweak size, font, color, and spacing for cleaner results. Convert to a smart object before drastic warps or filters to preserve editable text. Remember to save versions and use paragraphs for long blocks of copy to maintain flow and editability. Use advanced options to keep edits flexible and reversible in Photoshop. Convert text to a smart object to apply filters without losing editability. Use warp text and transform with Shift held to keep proportions intact while adjusting layout. Rasterize as a last resort when you need pixel-level control that cannot be undone. Keep duplicate layers for backup so you can always return to the original editable text if needed. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy, glare-free reading whenever you step away from your screen. It feels great during breaks from editing. I thought it made sense as a light companion to long design sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer styles and masks make text stand out without destroying it. Apply drop shadow, stroke, or bevel for quick polish that you can edit later. Use a clipping mask to place images or textures inside text for dynamic effects. Tweak blending modes and opacity to integrate text with the background naturally. Keep effects on separate layers or smart objects so you can change them anytime during the design process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.